Hello guys, welcome to my channel WinChem. Now we are going to see electrochemistry self-practice problems with the solution. Okay, the first problem is already shown in the last video, the first problems. Now I am going to work it out all the problems. The first problem is zinc react with MnO2 plus 8 ammonium ion, which gives zinc 2 plus and Mn3 plus ammonia plus water. Right, for this reaction you need to write anode and cathode reactions, first question. And the second question, calculate the E0 cell of the dry cell if the electrode potential of the cathode reduction reaction varies between plus 0.49 volt and plus 0.74 volt, and anode of the E0 reduction reaction is minus 0.74 volt. They are given like this. So we need to find out the electrode that is cell potential. First one is anode and cathode cell reaction. We need to write it. Which one is the electrode anode reaction? This is the oxidation reaction. So this is the anode reaction, and the cathode reaction is, this is the cathode reaction, that the reduction takes place. We'll see the answer over here. Anode is zinc 2 plus 2 electrons. Whenever they see the oxidation reaction, the 2 plus electrons will be in the oxidation reaction, that is in the reactant product side, and the electrons will be, if it is in the reactant side, that is a reduction reaction. Okay, that is an easy way we need to find out, because it releases the electrons, it accepts the electrons. Reduction reaction is accepts the electrons. So this is the way we need to write the cathode and anode. And the second question is, what is that? Second question is E0 of the cell. E0 of the cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. E cathode, what is that? They have given as E cathode of 2 values have given, and the E anode of only 1 value is given. So you need to find the E cathode of 2 values. The first one is, if it is a 0.49 and E anode of this means, what is the value? We will get it. I already said in the earlier video itself. Directly we need to substitute it according to this formula. We will get 1.225. For the E cathode of value 0.49. For the E cathode of 0.74, we get the cell potential of 1.50. So it varies from 1.25 volt to 1.5. So what is the answer? Answer is B. We'll see the next sum. Find the reduction potential of the following electrodes. This is the electrode. We need to find the reduction potential for this cell representation. See, this is the hydrogen. Here it's given as a 1 atmospheric pressure. If it is given as a 1 atmospheric pressure, we need to write in the concentration of partial pressure of the hydrogen. Like that we need to write it. Okay. And you need to first write the half cell reaction. This is a very half reaction is given. So we need to write the half cell reaction. So H2, it becomes H plus. So it's 1 atmospheric pressure, that concentration is 0.1 m. If it is given in the cell representation, you just mention over here also. See here what they are asking, reduction potential they are asking. So H2 to H plus, H1, H2 to H plus. Okay, H2 to H plus is equal to E0 of cell potential is always 0. This is 0 minus 0.059. How many electrons are there? Only 1 electron. Okay, that's so it's a 1 log 10 of H plus divided by partial pressure of H2 or half. Okay, this is the H plus divided by H2 plus of this one. First you have written that, and then this one. That's why I have mentioned as minus. Okay, then what is that concentration? Concentration of H plus is 0.1 divided by its 1. Okay, this is H plus 0.1, here 1 atmospheric pressure. So it is 1 atmospheric pressure. If you balance this equation, half we need to write it. Okay, it's only 1 electron, so that's why we need to go, only 1 hydrogen will be there if it is cross it. So that's why half we need to write, half hydrogen. So half hydrogen we need to put it over here, 1 by 2. Okay, if you solve over this, you will get the value of 0.059. That is minus 1, we will get it minus, and minus it becomes plus. So E hydrogen, EH2 H plus becomes 0.059. What they are asking here, reduction potential. This is the hydrogen to H plus. Okay. And so hydrogen is 0 plus 1 oxidation reaction. So for reduction means H plus H2. So just reverse the sign. Whatever the sign is there, here positive means minus. That is the minus value. So accordingly we get the answer. Okay. So A is the answer. And the last one, the 3 sums are given. This is the last sum. The last sum is the solution of copper sulfate in which the copper rod is immersed and diluted to 10 times the reduction electrode potential will be, how it will be increases or decreases, how much it will increase, how much it will decrease. First we need to write the initial concentration and then the immersed, that is diluted concentration. This is the half cell reaction. What is copper sulfate means? Copper, it undergoes for oxidation reaction. So copper reduction reaction, copper 2 plus the solution, copper rod is there. So copper 2 plus in aqueous solution plus 2 electron, it becomes a reduction reaction. So Reduction electrode potential means reduction electrode potential. This is the formula for the reduction electrode potential. So reduction electrode potential of copper 2 plus to copper E cell, copper E naught of the cell potential, and minus 0.059 divided by 2 log 10 1 by Zu2 plus initial concentration, and after dilution it becomes the same thing. 1 and 2 I have mentioned, for this is as the initial and this is the after dilution. Why I have mentioned these two? We need to know what is the if you compare only, you come to know what is the reduction potential. If you increase or decrease, then you come to know. Okay, if you compare, it means first we need to write it and you need to subtract this to that and you come to know what is that. Okay, if you this is a common factor, these two get cancelled and this is a common factor, you take it this as the away, and Cu2 plus divided by Cu2 1. Okay, so this is a log 10 is equal to 1 by 10 times it's diluted, so 1 by 10 which is equal to minus 1. Okay, minus 1, so which is log of 0.1. so log 1 is 1, so log 0.1 is minus 1. So minus 1 means 0.05 by divided 2 is equal to 0.29 something it will come. Okay, 0.021 like 29 will come, so it becomes 0.03. this will be minus 1, so it becomes minus 0.03. if it is a negative, it is decreases the potential by 0.03. so it is, what is the answer? B is the answer. Thanks for watching.